friends, welcome back. I'm Chef Danielle, and who are we here with today?
Gabby.
Yes, we're here back with Gabby today. And Gabby, what letter are we going to learn about today?
W.
W. Yes, so it's W Day. And what starts with W that we're going to make?
Pancakes.
Waffles. You like waffles, right?
Sometimes I make a mistake.
Sometimes you make a mistake? Yeah, sometimes you don't make mistakes. But that's okay. So tell me this. When we make waffles, sometimes we use the batter from pancake batter, right? So like I will make pancakes in the morning and we can use the batter for the next day to make waffles. And today we have a special waffle maker because it has a different character on it. Yeah.
Mickey.
So since we're doing character waffles today, we made the batter. Can you stir the batter for us a little? Yeah, perfect. Oh, yes, just we have to be very careful. You have to you have to ask somebody for help because waffle irons are very hot and we don't want you to burn yourself, okay? Ooh. In it goes. I think we need a little more. Hold on. You got a little more in there? Wait. No. Okay, let's
Now
put...
the ears.
No, okay, wait a minute. Yeah, it'll slide around, okay? So let's close it up. And then we have to wait till the light comes on and then we get a waffle. Okay, friends, so now our waffles are ready. So I took one out already. Now we're gonna take this one out. Ooh, Gabby, that waffle looks good. That waffle looks good. We made another one. Okay.
Me.
Yeah, look at that waffle. Woo! Okay, that's for Gabby. Now, sometimes people like syrup on their waffles or Nutella, but today we have some syrup. Do you want some syrup?
Sure.
Okay, I'll give you a little syrup. There we go. Uh-oh, wait. Remember you put your fork in the waffle? Alrighty. Perfect, and you can put then you can dip it and see how it tastes. I'm gonna try mine.
Me too.
You're gonna try yours? Whoop. Okay. How are those waffles? W is for waffle. How are the waffles? Yummy?
Mom.
Yes.
No.
How are the waffles?
Good.
Good. Dip. Mmm. So hopefully you guys can help make waffles in the morning or for an afternoon snack. So until next time, we will see you for the letter X. All right, bye friends.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye friends.